Hi, the resource walkthrough I decided to do this week for 516 was learningtrajectories.org. And one reason I picked this resource is yes, it's fresh to me. I've never worked with it, but also it's focused for early childhood from birth to 8. And so I just thought with working with those younger kiddos and those foundational skills that this would be a good website to focus on for numbers and number sense. So first of all, you go here. This is the home. It tells a little bit about the website and gives you some videos and how to tour and all the information. It's the user guide. And then you can register for a free account and even set up your class. And I set up 3 students, my kindergartners, and today. And then I'm going to begin and see how if we to track the progress and let them do some of the different computer things. So this is the home, and then if you press Learning Trajectories, you can see right now that it has the different age and grade, and my focus group is kindergarten. And then you can go down to even the category or math concept and choose different ones, and it'll bring up all different sorts of activities and videos, and you can pinpoint into what concept you want to focus on. So that's what I thought was really cool about this was that this filter tool. So I'm gonna kindergarten number, and then I was focusing on counting specifically. And so you can see here is all the different things on counting. So all of these are aligned to different standards. The one that I'm going to be choosing today will be the number standard for kindergarten. And that is just, communicating number sense and concepts using multiple representations. But then there's several benchmarks that correlate with this lesson that I'll be showing. The one that I thought goes the best is demonstrate cardinality. The last number name indicates the number of objects counted, and then also using one-to-one correspondence, which is making sure that each student is pointing to an object while they are counting versus just counting. So if you go here and then counter 10. How it's set up is most of the time it'll either give you a video or a caption talking about it, so it can actually show you the activity. And this boy is using dinosaur counters, and it'll give you examples of things that you can say and specifically pinpointing those skills. Then so you can see this is the student's progress if you have their class built, and then activities. So if you scroll down, this was another thing I thought was really neat. On Fridays we do Friday Fun Day, and so I plan to implement trying this. This is a concentration game. They're just different computer games, but what I like about this one is it actually matches the visual to the number. And I have this as a goal for and different skills for lots of my students. So 1, it's a fun way, but 2, I can also use that as an assessment to see how they are doing with matching their sets of quantities to their numbers. So there's also those computer games. And then if you scroll down, this is what I found so beneficial as well, was all the different activities you can do small group and then also whole group. And what's neat is it just uses a lot of engaging, fun games for the kiddos, different things that we can use at math centers. So, and then like I said, they track student progress. So I haven't done that yet. I plan on trying out some of these different counting games, especially I think the animal spots, hidden counters. If you click on them, it'll just take you to giving you an explanation of the directions and different ways that you can have some problem of application skills. So I thought this even kind of goes along with that, utilizing my students to have a little more productive struggle. Thank you.